Hi guys! Summer is almost over pero grabe pa rin ang init paminsan-minsan. Hirap magtrabaho, ang hirap magbihis, ang hirap mag-shoot. Pawisin pa naman ako agad kaya minsan no choice talaga, kailangan mag-aircon. Ganun talaga, nagiging mahal. This year, ang project ko ay ang renovation ng aking mga magulang sa kanilang bahay. Actually, sobrang init dun sa bahay ng parents ko, kaya I wanted to say thank you to them for taking care of me all of these years by gifting them something to help with their ventilation at home.
Having no ventilation can cause a lot of health problems, lalo na kapag summer. Alam mo yung feeling nakakaligo mo lang tapos papawisan ka na agad? Plus, my parents aren't that young anymore, so I'm sure it's harder for them being in this hot weather.
Living in comfort is what we all want to achieve. Kaya yan ang plano sa renovations ng bahay ng mga parents ko. That's why we are going for the best aircons for their house. Kung ano yan? Abangan!